Hi, this is Jan Spencer in Eugene, Oregon, and I would like to invite you to the first of a series of Zoom presentations. That's this evening, Tuesday, May 13th, 6:30 Pacific Time, 7:30 Mountain Time, 8:30 Central, 9:30 Eastern. This is the first of a series of Zoom presentations, and the entry into this series is the idea of preparedness. Of course, preparedness is gaining a great deal more interest these days as the frequency and severity of disasters and disruptions is on the increase. Of course, you can't do a lot about an earthquake, but many of these other disasters and disruptions are human assisted at the very least. And to call them natural disasters is a little bit misleading because humans have a big part to play in these disasters. So that's why preparedness is becoming a much more item of interest. I want to show you this graphic that I made because this is an important part of the Zoom presentations. We start off with the consumer culture preparedness, which is a good thing. Preparedness is a very good idea, but preparedness is reactive. It's after the fact. The idea here is that with preparedness, a person has an interest in their own well-being. And when they realize that moving towards resilience, permaculture, towards sustainability, that our well-being, our families, our friends, our communities can be improved over just simple being reactive. So that's the entry and the theme of these presentations. This evening is the first in a series of Zoom presentations over the next few months. And then for those living in Eugene or near Eugene, uh, we also have planned a series of site tours where we actually go to locations that illustrate what we talk about in the Zoom presentations. We'll visit my own suburban permaculture property here. We'll visit East Blair Housing Co-op, which is an awesome example of block planning. Duma, we'll visit Hummingbird Wholesale. This isn't just about having a nice property and edible landscaping and gardens. This is the early going in transformation of our society and our economic system. Is that hopeful? It sure is, but it looks a lot more attractive than the alternative of the consumer culture and the trends that we're all familiar with. So let me just move to this item right here. This is the schedule. So this evening, Tuesday, May 13, is the first Zoom presentation, and we have another Zoom presentation the 27th, June 17th. So these are periodically, they're all on Tuesdays, and then we have the site tours that are mixed in to show what we talk about in the Zoom presentations. The site tours show us what many of these items of interest look like in real life. So you can find the link, the Zoom link, and you can see this exact same schedule on my website, suburbanpermaculture.org. It's all free, no cost. You're welcome to share this information with others as well. It's just so sensible. So, with that in mind, I will stop the share and I hope you can make it. It's going to be very educational, very positive as well.